Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to edit gaming videos like a pro. So guys, welcome back to the channel, and this tutorial will be centered around how you can actually edit your gaming videos like a pro. And in this video I'll show you how to edit the videos like a pro in 2026, even if you're just starting out. All right, so the first step is to actually choose the right editing tool. So try to use a beginner friendly app or tool for editors like CapCut Desktop, DaVinci Resolve, Adobe Premiere Pro. So basically with CapCut Desktop, which I have available here, CapCut Desktop, if you want to get it on your computer, just go ahead and open up your browser. So open up your browser, and then in the search, simply search for CapCut. So go ahead and search for CapCut Desktop. So where we have CapCut Desktop, go ahead and download it for your Mac or PC. So open it up. It's one of the cheaper ones as compared to Adobe Premiere Pro, but DaVinci Resolve is a bit more technical than CapCut and Adobe Premiere Pro. So you can go ahead and download for free. You do not have to pay for the download, but where you have to pay would be in the AI features, which I would be showing you in a few minutes. So just click on where we have download for free. It's going to open up the downloading guide, and then we have the CapCut installer. So it's currently downloading now. But I'll cancel since I already have CapCut on my PC. We have the open and we have install. So basically, once it's installed, it's going to look like this. Once it's opened, once it's launched, you would be dropped at the menu. This is the project menu for your projects. So let's say you wanted to head back. Let's say you wanted to escape from this screen. Where we have media, just click on media here. All right, so once you've opened up CapCut, it is going to look like this. You're bombarded with some of the tools you can use, creating a project, which is basically editing your video, using the AI video maker or the option to record your screen. And then if you scroll a bit more, you can see the projects you've worked on so far. All right, so like I said, all you need to do is just import your gameplay footage and cut out the boring parts first. To do that, click on Create Project. It may be the same for DaVinci Resolve and Adobe Premiere because you would need to import for most of them. And once you have clicked on Create Project, you're met with the Import option. Now, just simply click on Import here, and then go ahead and select a video you would like to import. So we could go with any videos on your computer. Let's just go with one of the videos I have created. Click on open, and it's going to open up the video like this. It's going to look like this on your screen, and then just simply hold it and drag down here to simply begin editing. It's going to form itself down at the bottom, and then once you have done that, try to cut your videos for pace and energy. So pro edits are actually quite fast and they are short. They are not 6 minute videos unless it's a tutorial you're making on how to play the game. They are mostly between 1 and 3 minutes for more user retention. Now, also remove your loading screens, cut the deaths, silences, and mistakes out. Keep your clips short and action packed. So make sure it's most of your kills that are being shown, not you being killed. And, try to make some of your viral moments part of your clip. And then don't forget to add zooms, motions, and effects. So in order to cut on CapCut, all you need to do is just where we have the splits, you could drag this tool here. So a section of CapCut you would like to split, and then click on the split, and you now have two separate pieces of a video. And on this, you can even freeze, you could mirror, you could rotate it. There's much you could do. You could even have a transcript. You could have split scenes and then remove the background. So if there's a part of your video you do not want, you could simply remove the background. You could even enhance the visuals by stabilizing the video, and you could extract the audio as well and replace it. So let's say part of the video needs to be removed. That's the audio alone. You could extract and remove that audio and then replace it with a different kind of audio. You could also enhance the video by removing the noise and normalizing the loudness. All right, so moving on from there, we have the option to simply, you know, uh, boost your game sound. by increasing the volume. So where we have video, when you highlighted a part of your video, head over to the audio, click on audio here, and you would be able to increase the volume by a good amount. You could even apply a voice changer. You could have a fade in and fade out effect. Like I mentioned earlier, you could normalize the audio. So normalizing the loudness of a selected clip and enhancing the voice. There also is a video translator if your video is in a different language, and then you could reduce the noise and also have separate audio. So select the free audio elements you want to separate and you could separate them. All right. And don't forget, we have the option to add captions. So when you've highlighted a part of your video, click on text. When you've selected text here, once you have selected text, just go to auto captions and you can add an auto caption. Canva will generate a caption for you. And we also have local captions, so you can import a local SRT, LRC, or ASS. Auto captions can be generated. Just simply click on generate. It's free. If you're not making use of the bilingual caption or identifying filler words, you could just click on generate and it would be generated on your screen. So let's go ahead and click on generate. And it's currently generating the captions. And then another thing, if you want your final touches to look good, if you want your video to look good, increase the contrast and sharpness slightly. So if that's how you can easily go about this, comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.